Did you know that it's possible to build a home that uses 70 to 95% less energy than most new homes? Is far more comfortable and healthier for you with better indoor air quality and costs less to maintain for the life of the home. This is not something in the far off future. This is something we're doing today. We're going to discuss in detail what it takes to innovate and build remarkable homes. Join us. Let's get started. I apologize for not being able to post in a while. There have been some challenges that slowed things down, but thank God, significant progress has been made, and I look forward to sharing a lot of valuable information with you. In these videos, we're going to try to cover pretty much step by step, from start to finish, the entire process. I know you have a lot of questions, so as you're watching these videos, please go ahead and start asking your questions in the comments down below. I'm going to go through and try to answer as many as possible. I know a lot of things come up over and over, and we'll try to go not necessarily in order, but we'll try to cover things that a lot of people want to know and try to explain things that may be a little bit confusing. So feel free to continue to ask whatever you need down below, and I'll do my best to help. A lot of progress has been made in the last couple of years. Yes, I said years. This has certainly been a longer than usual process, with many complications and challenges along the way. The good news is we're finally nearing completion, and thankfully the effort has been worth it. I compiled a lot of content, images, videos, examples of techniques and products, things that were used and done along the way. And I'm going to try to share as many of these as I can with you, and hopefully we'll all learn and benefit together. I plan to go through a lot of individual steps, going all the way back to the design and planning stage, to breaking ground for the foundation. We'll discuss various stages of the project, from rough construction all the way to finish and trim, especially those details that really relate to our target goals. As we discuss the various steps of building this house, we'll take a look at some of the materials and techniques that were used. We'll try to explain why, because there are a lot of things that were done in a unique way. We'll take a look at various systems that were used, why they were selected, and how they all work together to achieve our target performance goals. And then I hope to share some of the performance figures with you, so we can take a look at how some of the actual measurable figures compare to what we were thinking we would achieve. This project that we're building is located in upstate New York. The design and work that's gone into this easily put it into the top 5% of most efficient and highest performing homes in the entire Northeast. God willing, our plan is to actually live in the house for the next 1 to 2 years and try to learn as much as we can from it by actually experiencing how it runs and feels. The ideas we share hopefully will benefit all of you who are watching, and you can integrate some of these into your own designs, whether it's an existing home or a new home that you plan to build. If you're in upstate New York and you're looking for a home, certainly feel free to contact us, as we're going to be starting a few new projects in the coming year. I'm really excited to start sharing this information with you. And as I said before, there's a lot of content, so I'm going to be posting things for quite a while. If you haven't done so already, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you're notified as more material is posted. Great having you here, and I look forward to seeing you next time.